Uniswap value equivalent to $4.3117 a coin. The present reach: $4.2703, $4.3331. The earlier day close: $4.3042. The change was plus 0.0075, plus 0.17%. Converse rate: United States dollars to unit. Uniswap value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Uniswap cost forecast for October 2023. To start with, cost at $4.46. Greatest cost $4.69, least cost $3.69. The normal for the month $4.28. Uniswap cost figure toward the month's end $4.27, change for October 4.3%. Unit to United States dollars expectations for November 2023. First and foremost, cost at $4.27. Greatest cost $4.83, least cost $3.94. The normal for the month $4.32. Uniswap cost conjecture toward the month's end $4.24, change for November 0.7%. Uniswap cost expectation for December 2023. At the outset, cost at $4.24. Most extreme cost $4.63, least cost $4.03. The normal for the month $4.31. Uniswap cost estimate toward the month's end $4.33, change for December 2.1%. Unit to United States dollars expectations for January 2024. First and foremost, cost at $4.33. Greatest cost $4.33, least cost $3.39. The normal for the month $3.92. Uniswap cost gauge toward the month's end $3.64, change for January 15.9%. Uniswap cost expectation for February 2024. In the first place, cost at $3.64. Most extreme cost $4.52, least cost $3.64. The normal for the month $4.01. Uniswap cost figure toward the month's end $4.22, change for February 15.9%. Unit to United States dollars expectations for WAC 2024. Initially cost at $4.22. Most extreme cost $4.74, least cost $4.12. The normal for the month $4.38. Uniswap cost conjecture toward the month's end $4.43, change for spring 5.0%. Uniswap cost expectation for April 2024. To start with, cost at $4.43. Greatest cost $4.43, least cost $3.79. The normal for the month $4.18. Uniswap cost estimate toward the month's end $4.08, change for April 7.9%. Unit to United States dollars expectations for May 2024. Initially cost at $4.08. Greatest cost $4.08, least cost $3.41. The normal for the month $3.81. Uniswap cost figure toward the month's end $3.67, change for May 10.0%. Uniswap cost expectation for June 2024. Before all else, cost at $3.67. Most extreme cost $3.67, least cost $3.18. The normal for the month $3.49. Uniswap cost estimate toward the month's end $3.42, change for June 6.8%. Unit to United States dollars expectations for July 2024. First and foremost, cost at $3.42. Greatest cost $3.62, least cost $3.14. The normal for the month $3.39. Uniswap cost gauge toward the month's end $3.38, change for July 1.2%. Uniswap cost expectation for August 2024. To start with, cost at $3.38. Greatest cost $4.19, least cost $3.38. The normal for the month $3.72. Uniswap cost figure toward the month's end $3.92, change for August 16.0%. Unit to United States dollars expectations for September 2024. Initially cost at $3.92. Most extreme cost $3.92, least cost $3.22. The normal for the month $3.63. Uniswap cost conjecture toward the month's end $3.46, change for September 11.7%. Uniswap cost expectation for October 2024. Before all else cost at $3.46. Most extreme cost $3.46, least cost $2.71. The normal for the month $3.14. Uniswap cost estimate toward the month's end $2.91, change for October 15.9%. Uniswap cost expectation for December 2025. First and foremost cost at $1.28. Greatest cost $1.28, least cost $1. The normal for the month $1.16. Uniswap cost figure toward the month's end $1.08, change for December 15.6%. Unit to United States dollars expectations for January 2026. Initially cost at $1.08. Most extreme cost $1.34, least cost $1.08. The normal for the month $1.19. Uniswap cost conjecture toward the month's end $1.25, change for January 15.7%. Uniswap cost expectation for February 2026. Before all else cost at $1.25. Greatest cost $1.51, least cost $1.25. The normal for the month $1.36. Uniswap cost gauge toward the month's end $1.41, change for February 12.8%. Unit to United States dollars expectations for WAC 2026. To start with cost at $1.41. Greatest cost $1.41, least cost $1.10. The normal for the month $1.28. Uniswap cost figure toward the month's end $1.18, change for spring 16.3%. Uniswap cost expectation for April 2026. Before all else cost at $1.18. Greatest cost $1.18, least cost 92 cents. The normal for the month $1.07. Uniswap cost estimate toward the month's end 99 cents, change for April 16.1%. Unit to United States dollars expectations for May 2026. In the first place cost at $0.99. Greatest cost $1.23, least cost 99 cents. The normal for the month $1.09. Uniswap cost figure toward the month's end $1.15, change for May 16.2%. Uniswap cost expectation for June 2026. In the first place cost at $1.15. Greatest cost $1.42, least cost $1.15. The normal for the month $1.26. Uniswap cost conjecture toward the month's end $1.33, change for June 15.7%. Unit to United States dollars expectations for July 2026. At the outset cost at $1.33. Most extreme cost $1.60.